Hey everybody, my name is Jasmine Chakray. I am the CEO of Your Lock Muse, but I also love all things content creation, and I do all of this while being somebody's mama. So today we are packing orders. There are, I think, like 10 orders that we will be packing. So we are going to do a pack with me show and tell. This is our second video, so I am still working out how I want to do this, but we're going to jump right into the orders. We are packaging in lovely, it's not really lovely, but lovely Valentine's Day mailers and tissue paper. We did get rid of our plastic bags just because I want to move in a more environmentally friendly direction this year, more sustainable direction. So until I figure out what that looks like, we are just going to roll with the tissue paper. Okay, first up is Christina, order number 2323. She got an 18-inch jet black and 18-inch bronze. I'm screaming. Okay. I'll tell you what to pause it. Okay, next up we got Kiera, order number 2334. She got a fall mist 3-pack as well as a mini oil sampler. Let me get hers on the stand so you all can see what she got. We gave her yams, pinstripe, olive, and bronze. So yams, pinstripe, olive, and bronze is what she's getting in her fall mist 3-pack, as well as a mini oil sampler. Whitney, order number 2335. She got a 15-inch neutral mist 3-pack. So she will be getting palm trees, smoke, and chocolate in her order. Step 2331 is Jada, and she got a 15-inch chrome. Next up, 2333 is Candace. Candace is a returning customer. She got amethyst, lilac, bronze, and jet black in her order. So amethyst, lilac, jet black, and bronze is what she got in her order. Yeah, but like, well, this order is from Darian. We don't laugh. This order is from Darian, my childhood best friend. I was so excited when I saw her order. Gave her jet black, honey, and melanated mama.
Definitely is, and it's Black History Month.
Yep. Okay, Mia got pinstripe, onyx, and ebony and cream. Pinstripe, onyx, ebony, and cream. gonna start a
You
show.
never know what's going on.
Okay, y'all. Order number 2328 is Danielle, and Danielle will be the last order in this video. She got mauve and bronze, a 22-inch mauve, 18-inch bronze. Okay, you all. Thank you for watching today's video. We will be back next week with more packing videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and shop yourlockmuse.com.